This is a 2012 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, front fog lights, roof rails, dusk sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Bill Collins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4220 Bardstown Road in Louisville.